How was the training, Sir Pao?
Personally, I think it's very timely, especially kung saan kami ngayon sa company namin. We're growing, we're trying to put what, structure in place. So I find the training very timely. And at the same time, very relevant sa ginagawa namin ngayon. And I think I've seen from the participants kung gaano sila ka invested when they ask questions, when they presented the role-playing kanina. So I think it would help us as we move forward. And I think personally, ako talaga yung naghanap ng vendor na to, and I talk to some people from your company. So I was looking forward to this training, and true enough, I'm satisfied kung ano yung nakuha ko. So thank you.
Thank you din po for your response. And what can you say about Sir Ed, our lead facilitator for today's training?
Yes, well, I find Ed very knowledgeable, and he was able to connect and relate to our questions earlier. And hindi I didn't feel na hanging kami kasi all questions were tackled in front of us. So I think that says a lot in terms of experience niya, and yung how he connects with people. So really also looking forward na sana siya din yung facilitator in the next session. At least may continuity.